If you're a beginner and you're still at the phase of wondering which platform should you go with to start your investment journey, I've got you covered. I will only be comparing Moomoo and Scythe Trade. In today's video, I'll share with you the differences between the two and why I'm only comparing between these two. Let's go. Take a look at this table over here. These are the comparisons I'm doing between Scythe Trade and also Moomoo. The first part is who is it for? Scythe Trade is a really complete beginner's platform. For those of you who have never tried investing before, Scythe Trade is honestly really great for those of you. As compared to Moomoo, if you're a person who wants to grow as an investor, you want to be able to read different level data, then start with Moomoo. There is room to grow as an investor, but with Scythe Trade, there is only so much that you can do. It is a good platform to just dollar cost average buy, sell. If you don't want to think too much into it, then Scythe Trade is a great platform to start with. The US stock commission for Scythe Trade is at $1.49 above the 2 free trades that they offer you per month. As a Scythe Trade user, they are giving you 2 free US trades per month after the first 3 months promo, where if you sign up with them, you're a new to Scythe Trade user, they are giving you unlimited free trades for the first 3 months. Thereafter, every month they're only giving you 2 free trades, and if you're doing more than 2 trades, you will be charged $1.49 USD. For Moomoo, they only charge you 0.99 USD, and this is just the platform fee. There's 0 commissions for Moomoo. SG stock wise, the commission rate is at $1.98. That's the minimum. If you're doing a big trade on either of the platforms, they're charging you 0.06%, and this is not including the SGX clearing fee and also the trading fee. 0.075% and 0.0325%, which makes up to 0.04%. So this is something that you need to take note of. This is not charged by Scythe Trade, not charged by Moomoo. It is something that SGX charges. For the sign up deals, if you're looking at between the two, for Scythe Trade it's pretty simple. Just deposit $2,000 and you'll be getting $20, which you can use to buy and trade. For Moomoo, they are going by a tier sign up deal. So the first $100 when you deposit, you will get $2 a day for the next 10 days, which in return you're getting a total of $20. The second tier is if you deposit cumulatively $2,000, you'll receive 1 Coca-Cola free share, which is worth about SGD $80. And the third tier is you deposit $10,000. That will give you more in terms of the sign up deal. User experience wise, I would think Scythe Trade is something that you don't have to think too much into. If you want to just go in and buy every month, just dollar cost average, transfer in an amount and buy into the shares, then yeah, use Scythe Trade. I started using Scythe Trade in November 2022, and it has been really helpful because I don't want to think too much into it. I just want to buy, leave it, let it grow, and every month just dollar cost average in is a great platform to start with. With Moomoo is something that I want to grow as an individual, to read more articles, to grow as a community, and I find it a little bit fun because Moomoo gives you the point system that you can fulfill tasks in order to gain the points and get some kind of rewards. So along the way, there are a lot of mini tasks that you can do on Moomoo, and for withdrawal, both sides is free if you're doing with SGD. For USD conversion, how much and what is the USD conversion difference, both the platforms are pretty similar. If you're wondering if you have any trouble and you want to contact customer service, these are the two differences. Scythe Trade, Monday to Friday, 24 hours, weekends 9 to 6. But with Moomoo, there are trading days, meaning Monday to Friday, 24 hours. Non-trading day is a little longer, from 9:30 to 9:30 PM. So it's a 12-hour as compared to Scythe Trade, which is only 9 to 6 on the weekends. These are the two platforms and the differences I'm comparing with. As a complete new beginner, I'm only thinking about buying into the S&P 500, buying into Singapore REIT. For the other trading platforms, if you're wondering why I'm not comparing Webull, Tiger, and IBKR, etc., I'm only comparing between the fees and the user interface. As a beginner, which should we go with? So I'm not using like IBKR, Tiger, etc. There's a lot of platforms out there. They are all very competitive, but between all of them, the two that I've come with is Scythe Trade and Moomoo. Now let me bring you to both Scythe Trade and also Moomoo's platform for you to understand a little bit more before you decide which one should you go with. Let's go. This is how Scythe Trade platform looks like. Once you go in, you can see my investments, the amount of value you have right now as of today. And open orders is if you have any orders that is still outstanding, they'll show it to you here as well. I'm trying to sell my Capital REIT at a certain price, which is why it's still here even though market is closed today. If you go into whatever stock that you want to see, this is how the different price charts will look like. It's just one straight graph where you can hover along the lines so that you can see at different timing what is the price, etc. But as compared to if you see on Moomoo's platform, there are a lot of candles which you can further analyze based on those. If you are a person who is very new to investing, honestly, this line itself is sufficient. Analysis is analysts and experts who analyze this stock and tell you their recommendations. Whether you want to use their recommendations and buy into a stock is entirely up to you. News is where they consolidate everything for you to read more about this current up-to-date news for this particular stock. It is something that you can read and also grow in your knowledge of that particular stock that you are monitoring. For Discover, you can find and add to watch list different stocks that you want to as well. So under my watch list, I have SG stocks, US and also SG banks that I'm looking at. And under portfolio, this is how it will look like. They will share with you your holdings as of today, price increase as of how much, and what is your total unrealized return as of today. Their platform is really simple to use. As I mentioned, you can just add funds, deposit, convert currency on the app. It's very simple and very user friendly. So now let's go into Moomoo's platform, and you probably will get what I mean when I say that you have more room to grow with Moomoo. If you want to compare the different sign-up deals, definitely Moomoo will be better because you only need to deposit $100 to get back $20. So that is what I've done. I signed up with Moomoo, I deposited $100, and over 10 days, they gave me $2 each day. Signing up with Moomoo is pretty easy. I'll show you a screen recording of how I've done it. If you do not see the $2 immediately today when you sign up, do not worry, they will actually credit to you afterwards. So it takes a few days, like 3 working days for it to come into the account cumulatively. So what I've done with Moomoo is that I've deposited $100 and subscribe to the SGD Fullerton cash fund so that I can get the coupon. So I'm going to be placing the $2,000 into this cash fund, and I'll also share with you what is the return down the road after 30 days of subscribing to this Fullerton SGD cash fund. I'm doing this so that I can get more familiarized with the platform before I buy anything on Moomoo.
Remember when I mentioned that Moomoo had a lot of mini tasks to complete? There was one activity where I had to complete a trade and they would give me SGD10 in cash coupon. In addition to that, I will have 180-day free SGD trades in the stock market. So that was what I did, and I made my first purchase on Moomoo.
For those of you who want to sign up with Moomoo and to just try out their platform, you can use the link down in the description box below. You will also be entitled to all these sign up deals. So deposit $100 first and then try their platform, receive the $20. If you want to explore further and you want to continue buying stocks with Moomoo, you can then deposit $2,000, reach it cumulatively, and get the free Coca-Cola share. I'm using this and exploring first before I make the decision to buy anything. So if you take a look at my watch list, you can see that I've added a few stocks into this, and it's pretty similar to what I have on Scythe Trade. Account wise, I currently have $3,600 here. $30 is a cash coupon that I've received after completing the different rewards that they have. So when I talk about the different small tasks that Moomoo has, it's pretty fun. If you go to coupons, you can see that I have free commission trade for SG stock market right now. It's 180-day free commissions. So when I buy SG stocks with them, I don't have to pay the $1.98. This is free commissions for the next 180 days and $10 stock coupon. So if I buy a stock on their platform for SG stocks, I can get this $10 SGD. Along the way, as you browse through their platform, there are different coupons and different games that you can play in order to be able to get more rewards. If you go to promotions, this is where you can see the different promotions that are running. Get started with SG stocks is what I've done to get the 180-day free trades for SG and also the $10 coupon when I buy the SG stock. So receive up to $208 in rewards is the Coca-Cola share when you deposit $2,000. There are a lot of limited time deals that you can browse through and play around with in order to get more rewards as you trade with them. No harm trying to apply for Moomoo and get familiarized with their platform. Moomoo is a platform where you can grow with a lot more. When you go into a particular stock, you can see a lot of different price data, the price charts, different candles. If you expand to 1 week data, you can see the different candles and different days. Because I traded with Binance for crypto before, this is not new to me. I'm using this tool because there's not much of a difference in terms of trading with them, the price that I need to pay. And as an individual, I can grow more using this kind of like data from Moomoo as well. So this is why I'm using both of their platforms. And if you want to sign up for any one of it, there are links down in the description box if you want to. This is what I'm going to be doing for Scythe Trade and Moomoo. I'm going to be using that to invest into US stocks. If you have any further questions about these two platforms, you can leave them down in the comment section below. If not, you can DM me on Instagram and I'll help you guys out. So that's all I have for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.